is our show. Welcome to the Sneeze Factor. Thank you. Okay. Ooh, where are the seats? Yay. Where are the other seats? Yay. The other one? Yay. Okay, here we go. Next. Hello, baby Sneezy. You are performing Just Can't Wait to Be King. Let's be a mighty king, so enemies beware.
Well, I've never seen a king or beast with quite so little hair.
I'm gonna beat the main event like no king was before. I'm brushing up on looking down. I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather an inspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
You've a long way to go yet, master, if you think.
No say do this.
Now when I say that,
No say be there. No say stop that. No say see here. Free to run around all day.
well, that's definitely out.
Free to do it on my way.
I think it's time that you and I arrange the heart-to-heart.
That price from the hornbills for a star.
If this is where the monarchy is headed, count me out. Out of service, out of Africa, I wouldn't hang about. This child is getting wildly out of wing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Here is the brother Sneezies. Okay, we'll start when the second brother gets here. Yay! Welcome the brother Sneezies. Woo! Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing and drip. Yay! Here it comes! You can never know what it's like. Your bloodline when it feels just like ice. Get off the stage! Who is this? Who is this? Oh, are you going? Are you going? What? What the?